Hello there friends, good day, good day. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Today is buffet day, Las Vegas style. What is Las Vegas without buffet? My friends, today I'm here at the Wicked Spoon. Still waiting to make my selection. For now, it's coffee. I'm gonna take you through and give you a glimpse. It's what for lunch. Las Vegas and buffets are synonymous. Unfortunately, a lot has changed since the pandemic. Most buffets are not has not been reopened, and for those that are currently in operation, they are limited hours. The Wicked Spoon, for example, is breakfast and lunch. We were intending to go to the Bacchanal today, but unfortunately it's for dinner, and I'm not into dinner at this time. I'm going to eat early. So we decided to skip dinner, and here we are for lunch at the Wicked Spoon. I'm going to take it through and give you a glimpse, and I'm sure it's a tease because you're going to be hungry by the time I'm finished going through. So before I go, let me take a sip of my coffee. Mimosa is later, and let's go see what's for lunch. Yeah. small portion. Yay! No cheese for me? No cheese for me? Oh, more. More cheese. More cheese. Yeah. So my friends, I just took you through buffet, and before I actually go to make my selection, I want to say cheers. Cheers to you. Now a little story with me about buffet. I've been living in Las Vegas for over 20 years, and this is perhaps the 6th time I've been to a buffet. And you may ask the question, why? You know why? I remember when I arrived at the age of 28, 36 years ago. I was 150 pounds, waist 28. Today, waist 34, 6 inches in 36 years. The secret is no buffets. But I had to have you feast your eyes today, and so off I go to make my selection. Now, just took you through all the main selections. I have not mentioned what the items were, but I hope you get an idea. The item that I selected, I'll share that with you. So off I go. So my friends, you may ask, am I on a diet? No, I'm not. but there's so much selection that instead of me piling my plate, I'm gonna go slow. So on my plate, I have the shrimp nigiri. I have the shrimp nigiri, the vegetable roll, spicy crab, pepper shrimp, and laptong fried rice. So let's get this combination going here. A little bit of wasabi and soy sauce, and there I go. Yum, yum. That was a good start. And oh, did I mention salt and pepper shrimp? Yummy.
I don't know what it's
Yum, yum. So my friends, since it's breakfast time, I decided to have a little bit of breakfast item. So decided to go for a little bit of buttermilk pancake, Cajun shrimps and grits, and some roots vegetable. So yummy. So my friends, you know, whenever I go to a buffet, I tell you, they make money off me because I eat finicky. But on my plate I have some chicken, some charred cauliflower, so cute, guacamole with tortilla chips, garlic cloves, and cheese. That's the way I roll. Now, Las Vegas come a long way. To this day, steak and eggs, $6.95, still out there. One place came to mind is the Ellis Island, and perhaps the South Point, and may perhaps a few other locals around, other locals rather. But there was a time in Las Vegas where steak and egg was about $1.99, and those are in the days when Las Vegas was just founded, perhaps even cheaper than that, for all the miners and the construction worker building the Hoover Dam. So we're looking at about what, 1930, 31, and here we are today. Buffet is grander than ever. Okay, my friends, so this is the finale, and that's the reason why buffets It's not my thing. Although I have a little bit of self-control. Loaded with sugar. But this is my a little bit of bread pudding, a little bit of pumpkin cheesecake, a creme brulee, a combination of pistachio and dark chocolate gelato, chocolate dipped strawberry, and a little bit of raspberry sherbet. So that would conclude the meal, my friend. And I am so glad you could come along with me to help me splurge. Now, in terms of if I were to rate this buffet versus the Bacchanal, this buffet I would call a regular run-of-the-mill. Very nice aesthetics, very nice layout. Service, I would say top 5. Food, rated about 3. The carnivore, make that the Bacchanal, in my opinion, is probably one of the best buffet. And the reason being the selection. There's a lot more selection, and it's a lot more elegant. And that'll be for next time when I return to Las Vegas. I'm not sure exactly what's happening at Resort World, but I intend to head there sometime before I return to Florida. I'm not sure if I can do it in this today, just to look around. But my friends, this was quite a treat. Like I said, they got over on me because you see how limited my selection was. But it's all for me, as I mentioned before in some of my videos, is that I live to eat. No, make that the reverse. Let's cut that out. I eat to live, not live to eat. So, until next time, my friends, this is the Jamaican in Move, saying one love, peace. Thanks for coming along with me. Love you, my friends. Cheers.